Nestled in the heart of vibrant Orlando, this resort stands as one of our many treasured partnerships. This isn't just a community, it's a resort-style oasis with the highest standards and an unwavering eye for detail. This isn't just any partnership, it's a renewal, a year-long commitment to excellence year after year. At BrightView, we offer comprehensive, full-service maintenance for flower beds, turf irrigation, and seasonal color rotations 4 times a year. Because we know it's about that first impression, that unforgettable guest experience, we bring nothing but top-notch products, services, and resources to this stunning resort. Our dedicated crew ensures perfection throughout the week. And that's not all. Our supplemental departments step in, providing everything from full ergonomics and tree care to fertilization, hard pruning, and cutting-edge irrigation technology. Like clockwork, we rotate the flower beds every season, guaranteeing visitors a fresh and inviting look year-round. Even the smallest details matter, such as the retouching of mulch, ensuring perfection in every corner. At BrightView, we understand that excellence is in the details. Join us in elevating your resort's charm, one detail at a time. Contact BrightView today, your partner for unrivaled resort maintenance. BrightView, elevating excellence in every detail.